It's morning here. Pasyalan muna natin ang ating munting garden. So, ito yung ating garden dito, guys. So, yan. Meron akong Rudbeckia. So beautiful. And these are coneflowers. Beautiful coneflowers. Hindi sila magpa-flower on their first year, but next year they're gonna come back. Mas magbo-bloom na sila. Ito nga ang Rudbeckia. I didn't expect na magbo-bloom sila this year, but they do. Galing. And then meron akong hollyhock. See that? It's a hollyhock. Tapos yung mga nakapatid Rudbeckia din to. And then look, raspberry. Yan. Raspberry yan ang kapitbahay namin. So meron akong ibang potted plants here. And then this one, we have a monument. Yung monument na yan, gawa yan ni Habi when he was in his early 20s, I think, when he first purchased this property here in the city. Ngayon, punta tayo dito sa aming backyard. So ito, meron akong sidam. Green sila ngayon. They're gonna turn pink in a matter of days. Tapos meron akong zinnias, shed namin. Yan ang aking garden. So this is blanket flower, marigold, zinnia, coneflower. So ganito yung mga flowers sa front namin next year. That's echinacea flower. And Rudbeckias, my favorite. And we have dahlia. This is dahlia, so beautiful. Rudbeckias. And this is orange coneflower. Nakakabili ko lang this spring. And this is salvia, beautiful to. And this is white swan coneflower. Ganda ng Rudbeckia. And this is Pawaw. And this is marigold, white swan, zinnias. This one is Pawaw. And meron din pala akong ganito. These are daisies. So hindi sila magbo-bloom on their first year, but they're gonna bloom next year, in the second year. So yan, daisies. Salvia. Yan, ito daisy ito. Yung this, yeah, zinnia. Ang ganda, diba? Ang ganda. So alam niyo ba guys, 95% ng mga flowers ko dito, bigay lang mga yan, bigay lang. So ito ay glider. This is our glide. Ano to? Swing. You can swing here. Swing siya. And then, tingnan nyo. These are my favorite. Ito. My favorite hydrangea. It's called Vanilla Fraise Hydrangea. As you see, they're turning pink already. In a matter of days, they're all gonna be turning pink. Ngayon, half pa lang. But they're so beautiful. They're my favorite. We have 6 plants of that. From there, going there. Tapos meron, nagplanting kami nitong emerald green. But 13 sila lahat. Yung 7 namatay, 6 lang yung nabuhay. And then, we have this new aster. So beautiful aster. Aster, so beautiful. Zinnia. Another aster. Ang ganda. Para siyang daisy. And this one is ano siya, this is actually very white in the last 2 months. This is called Annabelle hydrangea. So yan yung mga halaman ko dito, guys. Oh, papasyal ko kayo dito sa potted plants ko. Potted plants ko. Yan, Rudbeckia lang din siya. Rudbeckia. I'm gonna plant them on the ground next year. So yan yung ano kanina na pinakita ko. Berries. Oh, meron pala ako ditong kangkong, guys. Pang sinigang. Tansa!